Cambodia on Wednesday inaugurated the China-funded expanded National Road No. 3, which links the capital Phnom Penh and the southwestern coastal province of Kampot. The 134.8 km expanded road starting from Chom Chau roundabout in Phnom Penh's western suburb runs through Kandal, Kampong Speu and Takeo provinces. The road was built by the China Road and Bridge Corporation at a cost of about $215 million. The project, which began in October 2018, was funded by the Chinese government. Cambodian Prime Minister Samdech Techo Hun Sen and Chinese Ambassador to Cambodia Wang Wenshan both addressed the inauguration ceremony, which was attended by nearly 1,000 people. Hun Sen praised the Chinese contractor for completing the project earlier than scheduled and thanked it for building the road in full compliance with technical standards. Wang said National Road No. 3 is a key transportation artery for Cambodia, and expressed the belief that it will play a crucial role in boosting economy and tourism as well as improving the livelihoods of people along the route.